Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by auditing content. Export a CSV with title, URL, date, and traffic so you can prioritize. Once done, pick 3 to 5 pillar pages that will receive links and group related posts into clusters. Next, build a simple spreadsheet listing source post, target pillar, and preferred anchor text. This is your execution map. Make sure to include page intent and topic tags so you can spot natural anchor opportunities while you edit. Now you add links inside content where they read naturally. Scan each source post for anchor phrases that match pillar intent and insert links in the lead, body, or conclusion. Once you place the first link, check context so the sentence flows, read aloud if needed. Make sure to vary anchor text, exact match, partial, and branded anchors for balance. Also consider breadcrumb, category, and related post widgets to reinforce pathways without overloading the body copy. Finish by updating navigation elements and related post widgets so the new structure is discoverable, then regenerate your XML sitemap and submit it. Once live, monitor clicks, internal click-through rate, and ranking changes in analytics and Search Console over the next 2 to 6 weeks. Make sure to schedule a quarterly review to refresh links and remove orphan pages. Troubleshooting tip: if missing traffic, check for broken links. 301 chain.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.